Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need to act fast but calmly. First, confirm any critical unsaved files. If you can, save them. Then open the Force Quit dialog using Command-Option Escape or click the Apple menu and choose Force Quit. Once the dialog appears, scan the list and look for the app marked not responding or using high CPU. Select that app. You're preparing to force it closed so the system can recover without a reboot. After selecting the frozen app, click Force Quit and confirm when prompted. You're telling macOS to terminate that process now. Once closed, watch the dock and Finder to confirm the app disappears. This prevents lingering system hangs. If you need the app back, relaunch it from the dock or applications folder and check for recovery prompts. If several apps are unresponsive, repeat the process one at a time so you can observe system behavior and avoid forcing critical background services. Finish by ensuring your system is stable. If Finder was the issue, use Force Quit to relaunch Finder so icons and the desktop return. Once done, open Activity Monitor to check for processes still consuming excessive CPU or memory and quit them there. Make sure to relaunch needed apps and verify data. If apps remain unresponsive or the system is unstable, restart the Mac. If problems persist, boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.